Okay, so today I'm going to be doing an American Girl beehive. Well, it's a My Life one because she's the only doll that has actual straight hair. So it's a My Life doll, but you can do it on your American Girl doll. Straight hair. It actually does work on curly hair dolls. So I did it on Kennedy, but it looks crazy. But it's really cute though, like how it looks all crazy and stuff. Because you know who All About Meep is, how she's all crazy and stuff. So doing on her. So I'll tell you what you need. You'll need 3 scrunchies, any color, any kind, just as long as they're scrunchies. They don't have to be ruffly like this. They can be any color. So 3 scrunchies, a comb or a brush, but you need something to part it with. You can just use your hands, but I'm using this, and then you need a brush, but this is already a comb, just to comb through it so it won't be frizzy when you're doing it. Then a rubber band. I'm just using this bracelet because I'm going to take it straight out after I do the tutorial. And then a spray bottle, and you can just wet your fingers and go through her hair. It just helps it stay smooth while you're doing it. And I'm not sure I'm missing anything, but well, of course you're going to need your doll. So like this for the whole time. Hope you can see me. Comment down below if you can see my hand waving and my nail polish. Okay, anyway, so you get your spray bottle. Oh my god. It's slipping. It's slipping. Well, of course, avoid getting it in her eyes, and it spilled all over my hand. How dare you? Just keep that cap on it. That's probably the only time you're gonna use it, and comb it or brush it. It'll work if you have a pin cap, if you're gonna part it. If you can see. So you just do whatever just to make it look good. Now you're going to do that so it just looks straight. And just gonna do this. Hope it's enough. There. You can just do it with your fingers like I just did. And you're gonna grab a little more. This is for the actual hive part. There. Make sure it's evened out. So then you're going to leave a little in the back so you get the hair part. Comb. Not a comb, a hair tie. And you tie it. I'm doing it twice since these are big and ruffly. And then you're going to want to leave it like that. Get it separated. Do that. Don't get it in her eyes because it's right for her face. Oh, what's wrong? Not the only time you can use it. Then rub it in. And then, is this in it or what? Oh, okay. And just keep that right there. Then you're going to get the back portion of the doll's hair. And you're going to, I don't need to spray it that much. And gonna get my green one. Do this. Tie it in the back. Okay, yeah. Now, if you know how to make a bun, great. Just skip this. But if you do not know how to make a bun, then you're gonna want to look closely. Man, what am I doing? Yeah, twist it a little bit like that. Then it's time for your rubber band. I mean, you could have just done this with that, but it's just an extra step. Unless you're like really bored and you have nothing to do. The bun looks crazy. It's like coming off. Not even attached, but okay. Just ignore that part. And so then get the front piece. I should probably like dry. And then do that. Like puff it out. And then get the last one. And put it apart like that. If this didn't work, like it didn't look good, then look on, like it's Avavia Lot, and she has a better version, because I'm like copying what she did, because I copied her in another video with Kennedy. I'll go get her in a minute. And so it looked a little bit better, but it looks pretty good. Now I'm going to go get it looked a little better because I did it with Avavia on like following the steps while I was doing it. It looks a little better than Jules. Kimmy's looks a little better than Jules, but it's this is the back. It still looks okay. I mean, it still looks cute, and they both look cute. And sorry. And yeah, so hope you enjoy this tutorial, and and hope to see you next time.